Hello, America and the world. This is Dan from the California Cave of Truth, the Cave Condo of Truth. From Redwood Territory, the Cali Cave of Truth. And we're going to debut a song right now. It's called Holy Water Rain, and it's my gift to Paris, France. And you struggle against the dickwad terrorists who have an opinion that blowing up people as a stupid, like martyr thought, that opinion there. They think they're going to get 72 virgins. That's a really big ball of wax they have bought there. All reasons, just an opinion, but love is true. And the Eiffel Tower proves number one thing. Well, it's kind of like the Statue of Liberty. Liberty itself and democracy, and here we go. With no further ado for you, my little chickadee and petty, holy water rain. He made us, 'cause he was born. He's our Lord, made us 'cause he was born. He's our Lord. I wanna make him cry, tears of joy from the sky, and it'll come down from above. As holy water rain, it'll come down from above. Tears of joy from everybody, the big bopper, the bird of peace, eternally righteous, turquoise water, holy water rain. Oh, my Lord, bring me the holy water rain, rain.